Hey everyone, welcome back to my page. In this lesson, you will learn how to ask for and give your personal information to others. So, this is gonna be a question and answer session. Let's get started. First of all, you will introduce yourself by telling your name. What is your name? Then tell me your name. My name is. What is your surname or last name? My surname or last name is. Do you have a nickname? If you have a nickname, then you can say yes, my nickname is, or you don't have, then say no, I don't. Work and occupation. What do you do? It means how do you spend your time every day? So you can answer us I am a teacher, I am a doctor, as on. Where do you work? I work at shop, I work at hospital, I work at school. Do you like your job? If you like your job, then you can say yes, I do, or you don't like that, then say no, I don't. Our next question is very friendly since our childhood, so we can easily answer it. That is, how old are you? I am 13 years old, I am 20 years old. Next is, when is your birthday? My birthday is on 13th of March or 14th of November and so on. First you tell the date, then after tell the month. Where were you born? I was born in Gujarat, Rajasthan, etc. Thanks for watching.